What's up, guys? It's very early in the morning right now. It's about 6:41. So yeah, I've decided to come over because the hotel room is just way too hot, and I'm pretty bored anyway, so I might as well start working. So I'm here at the track, and I got a couple of small things I can do before everyone comes. I'll see if I can move some of the racks for the workshop first. So yeah, anyway, let's get going. So right now I'm just pushing the cart I need to work on to the workshop, and then I'm going to start try to move some of the racks inside the workshop. Yeah, let's see if I can move them. They don't look very heavy. So anyway, let's get going. Alright, so very messy. Anyway, my colleague applied a clear coat last night to this flooring, so it should be good now. I don't feel it being sticky or whatnot, so I should be able to move all the furniture in first. So yeah, let's get started. Yep, I'm gonna move those racks first. Let's go. Alright guys, so I thought I'd be able to work on a couple of things this morning, but unfortunately they cut out the power. So I won't be able to use this lift to work on the other cart, and my engine is locked inside the control room, so I really might have come here a bit too early. But I'm going to figure out something to do. Maybe I'll start stacking up the tires because there's a lot of rain tires and stuff, so I'm going to stack those up first, and we'll see where we go from there. Also, there's a huge cabinet that I need to move into, so I might do that. I'm gonna have to move it here or something. Anyway, so let's get started. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all I've done this morning apart. So that's where we put all the lubricants and all the cleaning agent and stuff. This is going to be the Kartlephant dedicated rack. There's still a bunch of crap out there. That's all the garbage that I've cleared out. We still got this whole table worth of crap we need to put in, but that's just way too heavy for me, so I'm just going to wait for the colleagues to come. It's 8:30 right now, so it's amazing how much I got done in 2 hours. I think it's about 2 hours. So yeah, I think that's as much as I can do by myself. I think I deserved a brief rest, so I'll just wait for my friends to come, and then we'll continue with the rest of the stuff, all that stuff. It shouldn't be too hard. It'll be done in no time. Anyway, so yeah. We'll do the filming a bit later.
6.5 hours later.